Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the tracker ready. Charge it above 50% and power it on. Once done, insert the SIM or enable eSIM so the unit can use a mobile network, and make sure you have a data plan active. Weak signal will limit updates. Next, download the companion app and create your account, granting location and notification permissions so the device and phone can communicate. This step sets up connectivity and access. Without it, the rest of the process won't work. You now pair and configure the tracker. First, enable Bluetooth and choose Add Device in the app. Scan the QR or type the IMEI to link the unit. Once paired, test live location to verify communication. Then configure how often it reports. Shorter intervals give finer tracking but use more battery. Choose a balance that fits your needs. Set geofences and alert thresholds so the app notifies you for exits, low battery, or movement. Finally, save settings and run a quick field test to confirm behavior. You're at the final stage. Deploy the tracker where it will get clear sky view when possible and secure it so it won't shift. Monitor real-time updates in the app. If accuracy drifts, move the device to a less obstructed location or change the reporting interval. If something goes wrong, try these steps. Reboot the tracker, verify the SIM has data, toggle app location permissions, and check for firmware updates. If those fail, contact support with the device ID and logs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.